Yo, it's the Cosmic here. I wanted to go over three stocks today. Mark, GNUS, and XSPA, and how I called them out in our Discord server, the Anonymous Traders. Stay tuned and find out. Also, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, ring that little bell notification because I make videos constantly, and let me know what y'all think in the comments. Also, check out all of our socials, links in the description. Without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so let's start with XSPA. XSPA yesterday I announced in our stock squawk and our stock alerts, in general chat, I announced yesterday in our Discord server, we can just hit right here, XSPA, and we can go down to see where I actually was going to get in on XSPA. I got a little bit excited saying that it's going to go to $6, but yesterday I was saying that I averaged down at $4.80 something cents, thinking that XSPA would run today or yesterday. And what happened? Their the Express Wellness Urgent Care website launched, and this launch was huge for XSPA. So I actually bought in right here at 483, and then it just continued to spike. It's going back down today because it's a website, and websites usually have a limited run. But at the same time, it was a call that I alerted pre-market in my chat room, and it decided to go ahead and run after the announcement of their website. So that was XSPA. Next is Mark. Mark was interesting to say the least. I was watching Mark all day yesterday, and around 11:40, around 11:40, 12 o'clock, I was telling our other admin, Mother Goose, to go ahead and get in, stop complaining about not being able to find a good entry because he wanted to get an entry at 227. I'm like, just move it up to 228. It's not going to retest 227, and it had this sideways action this whole time. Well, around noon, LAX dropped a Washington Post dropped an article about LAX using thermal fever fever detecting cameras as passengers depart and arrive. It's not even Mark's technology. It's just rumored that they may be using Mark's technology, but it's not even Mark's technology. That it doesn't look the same at all. So that's one reason why it had its huge spike and its huge drop. I told him to get in right before it happened, and it spiked all the way to 260. I know other people in my chat room that made a good for 20 to 30 cents a share just off this spike. It's a good 20% move, almost completely 20% cents or 20%, about 18. So that's awesome. And today, GNUS, my goodness. Let's just go to the 1-day chart. It was starting to tank, and we were sitting there talking about GNUS, just actually saying how it's overvalued at its current price. Honestly, I think at its current price, it's a good value for what the company is. And then as we were talking about it at 8:20, Benzinga popped up and said, "Hey, GNUS brand is now debt free." And in our stock squawk, I said, "Okay, well, GNUS is now debt free. This is going to be huge for play. I would probably, if I had liquidity, I would get in now." And that was at 8:30, at 8:20, and that's my time, so it'd be 9:20, right before the market opened. And sure enough, it went off. No, actually, I was right. I was right. 8:20, right here is whenever it happened. And then sure enough, it dipped down a bit, and then it just took time for the news to come through and people to realize what it was, and it took off. Spiked up, came back down to meet its former support, right? Former resistance, making it support, and then took off. And now it's coming back down. If it tests this level and it can hold and test around the 270, it may have another leg, but I'm not sure because there's a lot of bad interest in bag holders in this recent run that GNUS had with its short squeeze pump. So but that's about it. That's all I have got for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. This channel has hit 250 members and it's amazing. Don't forget to check out our social down below. For our Discord channel, we do have a subscribe star, and you can just go to subscribe.com/anonymous traders, anonymous-traders. And let me just log out here. So it'll show you what you see. And you can get in here with and kind of support the channel, support who we are, and helping everybody else, everybody make money. And that's what we want to do, is help everybody make money. So thank you all so much. Y'all have a good one. Peace. Also, don't forget to check out Benzinga Pro, the fastest news source whenever it comes down to finding stocks that are going to be able to be traded for a good or bad play. It's amazing. I use it. You just go to our channel, click any link. We have the link in the description down below as well, and use code MADAZ25 for 25% off both monthly and annual subscription. So it's really awesome, really affordable, and you'll make your money off of trading for the subscription within its 2-week free trial. So awesome. Thank y'all so much. Y'all stay awesome.